Welcome to our podcast where we explore the world of cryptocurrency and unravel the mysteries of this digital revolution. In the latest from AntPool, the Bitcoin miner has announced that they will be offering a full refund of a staggering $3 million transaction fee to a user who fell victim to an unfortunate error. This incident, which has gained considerable attention from the Bitcoin community, initially occurred when a glitch during the transaction packaging process caused the fee to be temporarily frozen. Addressing this, AntPool displayed its commitment to customer satisfaction by taking responsibility for the hiccup and declaring it would refund the exorbitantly high cost to the user. In order to ward off any fraudulent claims, AntPool has instituted a verification process, which necessitates the affected user to validate their identity before the refund process can commence. The user has been granted until December 10th to verify their identity and take advantage of the massive refund. This event serves as a golden chance for the user to redress the expensive error and reclaim the lost funds, while also highlighting the level of care and fairness AntPool has displayed. The incident and AntPool's response underscore not only the company's commitment towards treating its users fairly, but also the necessity for cautiousness and double verification in cryptocurrency transactions. With the potential for simple mistakes to result in heavy financial losses, it's a pertinent reminder of the potential risks alongside the opportunities in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned for further updates and developments in this sphere. That's all for this news update from AntPool. In recent Binance news, there are several major developments to note. Amidst growing regulatory scrutiny, Binance has stepped up its lobbying investments, with CEO Richard Teng maintaining a stable executive team during this turbulent period. At the same time, Binance is also facing several lawsuits, including a potential $750,000 settlement with footballer Cristiano Ronaldo to avoid a U.S. public trial, and a massive $1 billion class action lawsuit concerning Binance's NFT promotions. Regulatory issues persist for Binance in the Philippines, as the local securities regulator has accused it of operating without a license, leading to a warning against supporting its activities and an emphasis on the importance of compliance in crypto trading. Despite these challenges, Binance continues to innovate. They have newly introduced a cryptocurrency tri-party arrangement to mitigate counterparty risk and have begun a pilot program for bank custody of collateral, demonstrating their dedication to enhancing user services. Former Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has recently pleaded guilty and resigned from his position. This comes alongside lower withdrawal rates from Binance, following their settlement with the U.S. Department of Justice. In summary, Binance is currently contending with numerous legal complications and regulatory scrutiny. With the potential risk of BNB price dropping below the support level, investors are advised to be cautious, particularly those in the Philippines, due to the SEC's action against Binance for operating without a license. That concludes this update on Binance. Keep an eye out for more news on this developing story. Coinbase, the popular cryptocurrency exchange, is seeing a marked increase in information requests from law and government agencies, as indicated by a 6% rise in such requests and an increase in the number of jurisdictions issuing them by 19 each year. This heightened interest is also reflected in the tripling of law enforcement requests Coinbase received in 2021 compared to the previous year, signifying an escalating demand for cryptocurrency transaction data. Adding to the increased general information requests, there is a possibility that Coinbase may be mandated to share specific Bitcoin trading data with the U.S. government. If implemented, this regulation holds considerable implications for user privacy and the core principle of decentralization in cryptocurrencies. Moreover, part of broadening regulatory scrutiny includes a subpoena faced by Coinbase from the CFTC Commodity Futures Trading Commission in relation with the Bybit case. This is indicative of the ongoing regulatory crackdown on cryptocurrency exchanges regarding their compliance with relevant laws. These instances underscore the rising regulatory challenges confronting Coinbase and the overall cryptocurrency industry. With governments and regulatory bodies striving to assimilate and regulate cryptocurrencies better, Companies like Coinbase are increasingly finding themselves navigating a complicated and swiftly transforming regulatory landscape. In recent FTX news, the renowned cryptocurrency exchange has received authorization to sell a whopping $744 million in grayscale stakes, a critical move to repay its creditors and recover lost assets. In an extension of this effort, FTX has also obtained court approval to dispose of an additional $873 million worth of holdings from Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and related digital trusts. The court's ruling bolsters FTX's estate, giving them the green light to sell crypto investment trusts totaling an astounding $870 million. This development marks a significant milestone in FTX's road to swift recovery and repayment to its creditors. Interestingly, a substantial fraction of the earmarked assets for sale originates from Grayscale's GBTC, positioning it as a key player in FTX's recovery plans. FTX persists in its bid to bounce back from its challenging situation using the sizable assets at its disposal. As FTX executes these sales, all eyes are on how the exchange will allocate the funds, ensuring creditor repayment and securing its future. That wraps up this FTX update. Keep an ear out for more updates in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency and finance. In the latest Chainlink news, we have some thrilling updates to discuss. Chainlink, recognized for its innovative decentralized Oracle network technology, has announced a noteworthy upgrade to its v0.2 version. A major enhancement includes an expansion of the staking pool to an impressive 45 million Link tokens. This strategic move aims to bolster the protocol's security and liquidity, while drawing more participants to its dynamic ecosystem. In terms of its native tokens' price performance, Link has experienced a significant rise throughout the year. The token has reached new all-time highs and established a solid base in the crypto community. As we transition into December, the question of whether Chainlink will maintain this impressive momentum remains. Predicting short-term price movements can be difficult, but Link's remarkable performance thus far brings intrigue to how it will fare in the upcoming month. Looking ahead, many enthusiasts are pondering whether Chainlink can secure its place among the top 10 cryptocurrencies before the conclusion of 2023. The project currently holds a respected position in the crypto market, notorious for its advanced capabilities. Breaking into the top 10, however, would necessitate considerable growth and competition with well-established projects. The future is uncertain, but it wouldn't be unexpected to see Chainlink maintain its upward trajectory and potentially vie for the top spots. That concludes today's Chainlink news update. Stay connected for future advancements concerning this groundbreaking project and its constantly evolving ecosystem. In the latest cryptocurrency news, a significant development is the potential approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Analysts predict a possible window of approval between January 5th and 10th, 2024. The topic of Bitcoin ETF approval has been fervently discussed in the crypto space. The community is optimistic that this sanction might attract institutional investors and add regulatory stability to the market. In related news, Dogecoin's value has taken a minor 1% dive as the Doge 1 moon mission's launch looms. This mission aims to place a Dogecoin-funded satellite, also called Doge 1, in lunar orbit. Despite the slight dip, Dogecoin remains a popular cryptocurrency, largely because of its strong supporter base and endorsements from influential figures like Elon Musk. In the domain of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, has launched Project Tourbillon. This project aims to provide cash-like anonymity in retail CBDC transactions. With CBDCs drawing attention from global central banks, the BIS's goal is to alleviate privacy and surveillance concerns by preserving anonymity in these digital transactions. The endeavor may transform the way individuals transact with CBDCs, offering privacy akin to that afforded by conventional cash transactions. That concludes the day's cryptocurrency updates. Keep following for future news on the evolving cryptocurrency landscape. In the latest iota news, the cryptocurrency has experienced a significant surge of 45% in price following two major announcements. First, iota has announced its strategic pivot toward the Middle Eastern market, a development that has captivated the interest of investors. Second, the establishment of a new foundation based in Abu Dhabi, bolstered by substantial funding of $100 million, has powered further growth. These announcements have led to a groundbreaking rally in IOTA's price, a 48% surge in just 24 hours, propelling it to $23.60. This development marks an outstanding 10-month peak for the cryptocurrency. The inauguration of the IOTA Ecosystem DLT Foundation in Abu Dhabi, combined with the impressive funding, has sparked great enthusiasm within the cryptocurrency community, triggering a 43% rise in IOTA's token. The company's decision to target the Middle Eastern market has clearly proved popular with investors, contributing to the continued soaring of IOTA's price. The foundation's significant funding setup positions IOTA to make major strides in the region's blockchain and cryptocurrency environment. As reflected in this remarkable surge, IOTA's increasingly popularity and potential is unmistakable. Stay tuned for further exciting updates in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. In Shiba Inu's latest news, we're spotlighting some essential updates. The popular meme cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu, continues to write headlines with its recent price fluctuations, currently holding a volatility rate above 60%. This notable percentage could significantly affect its future price. On a more optimistic note, Shiba Inu has successfully broken out of a multi-year downtrend, indicating signs of recovery. This breakthrough implies that the cryptocurrency may be heading towards an upward momentum, a welcome development for the Shiba Inu community amidst challenging market conditions. December's outlook appears promising for Shiba Inu enthusiasts. Cryptocurrency experts and analysts predict a bullish price surge for Shiba Inu SHIB at the start of the month. This expected upswing could signify a pivotal moment for Shiba Inu, providing new investment opportunities. That concludes today's Shiba Inu update. As always, we urge our listeners to keep a close eye on the market and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Stay tuned for more updates on this dynamic and rapidly developing cryptocurrency. In the recent MicroStrategy news, the acclaimed business intelligence company has once again made a significant stride in the cryptocurrency universe. With a remarkable acquisition of an additional $600 million worth of Bitcoin, MicroStrategy has elevated its total holdings to over $6 billion, thereby bolstering its place as a pioneer in the industry. MicroStrategy's CEO, Michael Saylor, has been spearheading the Bitcoin adoption movement, and this latest investment underlines his bold tactics that have set the company apart from its competitors. MicroStrategy, with an addition of a staggering 16,130 BTC to its hefty portfolio, now has a cumulative total of 174,530 BTC. This considerable augmentation not only intensifies the company's role as a key contender in the cryptocurrency market, but also underscores its faith in Bitcoin as a long-term asset. Undeterred in its commitment to Bitcoin, MicroStrategy continues to reflect its optimism in the digital currency's potential growth. Its latest decision further seals the company's reputation as an industry leader, earning respect and interest from both investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The legal battle between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, over the classification of the XRP token continues to escalate. The SEC asserts that XRP should be regulated as a security, but Ripple counters by categorizing XRP as a digital currency akin to Bitcoin or Ethereum. Expectations for a potential breakthrough in this dispute have been raised by an SEC meeting scheduled in the coming days. The specifics of the meeting are yet unclear, but there is certain optimism among analysts about the potential for a settlement or decisive action on the ongoing proceedings. In Bitcoin news, the SEC might greenlight several Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, on January 10th, according to analyst speculation. If approved, these ETFs would furnish investors with a simpler method to invest in Bitcoin, a development that could lend further credibility to the cryptocurrency among institutional investors. In another significant development, the SEC is considering a proposal from Fidelity Investments to create an Ethereum ETF. As a leading financial services company, Fidelity aims to launch an ETF tracing Ethereum's performance, offering investors a regulated means to gain exposure to Ethereum's price fluctuations without directly owning the cryptocurrency. Although still in the early stages, the SEC's receptiveness to discussing this proposal indicates a possible willingness to extend the range of crypto-based investment products. To summarize our SEC news roundup, there are developments on multiple fronts: Ripple's ongoing legal battle, potential approval of Bitcoin ETFs, and discussions about an Ethereum ETF by Fidelity. Stay tuned for more updates. In Standard Chartered news, the bank is making bold Bitcoin forecasts. They predict that the launch of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, will contribute significantly to a 165% price gain. This surge could potentially escalate the value of Bitcoin to $100,000 within 1 year. This forecast aligns with Standard Chartered's anticipation of a market revival for the popular cryptocurrency by 2024. Should these predictions materialize, Bitcoin investors could reap significant profits as they near the year-end. Thank you for joining us on today's episode, where we delved into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, exploring its potential, risks, and impact on the future of finance. Happy investing!